Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Have you ever had an earache in your life? This pain has been described by many as unbearable. It's very common in children, but it can happen at any stage of life. This pain generally affects people in different ways. You may feel a burning sensation or pressure in your ear that may be accompanied by headaches. This pain can be due to an infection, injury, blockage in the ear canal, allergies, or colds. Often your body heals itself after a while. Depending on what's causing your earache, there are some very effective home remedies you might want to try. Garlic, for example, is an ingredient that has been used throughout history, not only as a seasoning, but also to treat various health problems. Due to its antiviral, antibacterial, and antifungal properties, it has become a popular home remedy for earaches. Some studies performed with garlic oil have proven that it effectively relieves ear pain and is even more effective than traditional medicines. You can use garlic in two ways. The first is by using raw garlic. Take a clove of garlic, preferably organic, wash it and cut it into small pieces. Put one of these pieces of garlic inside your ear, not too deep, and secure it with a bandage so it doesn't fall out. It's recommended that you let it sit overnight and only take it out on the next day. Another way to use garlic is by making your own oil. Crush a clove of garlic and place it in a spoon, then fill the spoon with olive oil. Heat the spoon over the stove and pour a few drops of this oil on a small piece of cotton. Squeeze the cotton to remove the excess and place it inside of your ear while it's still warm. The cotton ball should cover the ear without putting pressure on it. If, after the second time you try this remedy, you don't get the expected relief, the best thing to do is to consult a specialist to find the cause and a more appropriate treatment. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.